Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain chapter 4, carbon and its compounds, part 9. Today I am going to explain homologous series. First of all, we have to know what is a homologous series. A series of compounds like alkanes, which can be represented by a general formula. Differ from each other by a fixed group of atoms and have a gradation of properties for a homologous series. Or we can define homologous series as in second case, organic compounds having the same functional group and common properties but differing in molecular formulae from the next number by one single bond CH2 group form a homologous series, and such compounds are called homologies, For example, homologies of alkanes. In the first position, methane. The molecular formula of methane is CH4. Molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. Propane C3H8. Butane C4H10. Pentane C5H12 and hexane C6H14. And if we see these two formula, the difference between these two compounds is CH2, or between these two compounds CH2, or between these two compounds CH2, and between these two compounds CH2, and further so on. In the homologies of alkenes, compound ethene, molecular formula C2H4, propene C3H6, butene C4H8, pentene C5H10, and hexene C6H12. And between any two consecutive compounds or adjacent compound, the difference between their molecular formula is by single bond CH2. For the homologies of alkynes, compounds are ethyne C2H2, propyne C3H4, butane C4H6, pentyne C5H8, hexyne C6H10. And the difference between any two adjacent compounds like this CH2. So we see that there are gradual change in their molecular mass. Now we have to know characteristic of homologous series. First characteristic, all the members of a homologous series can be represented by same general formula. For example, homologous series alkanes represented by CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atom. Alkynes represented by CnH2n. Alkenes and alkynes represented by CnH2n minus 2, whereas alcohols are represented by CnH2n plus 1 single bond OH. So we see that all the members of same homologous series represented by same general formula. And second point is, for the characteristic, the difference in molecular formulae. The difference in molecular formulae between any two adjacent members of a homologous series is CH single bond CH2. That is given here. In the third point, the methods of preparation and chemical properties of any member of a homologous series are similar to those of other members. And fourth one is the physical properties. The physical properties such as melting point, boiling point in a homologous series undergo a gradual change as the series is ascended. For example, methane's molecular formula CH4, melting point minus 183 and boiling point minus 164, and this is a gas. So other compound ethane, C2H6, its melting point minus 172 and boiling point minus 89, and it is also a gas. Propane, molecular formula C3H8, melting point minus 168 and boiling point minus 45, and it is also a gas. Butane, its molecular formula C4H10 and melting point minus 135 degrees Celsius, boiling point 0.6 degrees Celsius, and it is also a gas. And these four compounds of this series are in gaseous conditions, so its density are not explained. Pentane have molecular formula C5H12 and melting point minus 130 and boiling point 36, and its density is 0.625. And hexane have molecular formula C6H14 and its melting point minus 95 and boiling point 69, and its density is 0.659. So in this segment we can only discuss homologous series. In the next segment we discuss about the functional group. Till then, goodbye.